These are the items you need to make your own derivative.
Okay, we're going to start by setting up our place that we're going to film derivative video. So that's the whiteboard. And then we need a stand and an iPad.
Or any other stable surface.
Yeah, or a phone or something that can stick off this end. For this, we also need
Masking tape.
I'm really bad at using masking tape.
I'm better. Do you want to switch cameras?
Sure. Okay. For the video, we're gonna need, to hold the camera on the stand, we're gonna need masking tape.
Yeah, the good thing about masking tape is it can stick to the surface, but you can also see through it and
pull it off.
And pull it off easily, and you can also touch through it.
Yeah, we just discovered that when we did this.
Yeah, accidentally.
So, we're first going to erase this with this eraser. We have a napkin. So if there's things like this, then you have to really get it off. Get another napkin. Here, dry it off.
Our derivative is going to be discipline. Discipline, it's very straightforward. It's a kind of obvious one. Yeah. Okay, now we're actually setting it up. Make sure it's far enough in that you can't see the borders, otherwise it's kind of weird. So what we're doing is we're doing a dot or something where it's basically on the border. It's like the farthest you can see, so that we can know where our boundaries are when we're taking the actual photos. I can't make this video like 20 minutes long. Borders. Borders that you can't see on here.
Discipline. How's it spelled? D-I-S.
See, we write stuff up there so that we can see it and they can't see it on the screen.
Ha ha ha.
Trick.
Hey Siri.
Hi.
What is the definition of discipline?
As a noun, it means the practice of training people to obey rules or a code of behavior, using punishment to correct disobedience. Do you want to hear more?
No, thank you. Cool.
To correct disobedience. Gistra is the best.
Kind discipline
It's like teaching people without bad discipline. So the trick to having a long text like this is that you draw something.
Okay, I'm gonna set a timer
Because
for
then you can read and there's something else going on.
I'm gonna take a set timer for 10 seconds, and Michi's gonna be able to hold the camera while I work with the animation.
We're watching the video.
So far.
So far. This is a kind of ugly video. Yes. Stereotypical old evil teacher. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna have a jelly bean. Good idea. Okay. Should I take a picture? Yeah. You change that, make it more, make it less, whatever. I think we all know how to use it. Okay. I'm going to add music. Discipline should be like evil. That's perfect. Sure. That's the exciting trailer. Yeah. Click off of it. Or click on the exciting trailer. There you go. Now you put it in. Now we can watch it. Yay! Now we filmed a lot of this, but it didn't end up with making it into the video because it was accidentally deleted. Yes.